In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Zerodha account to TradingView. Whether you're just starting out in trading or looking to streamline your existing workflow, linking your brokerage account to a powerful charting tool like TradingView can significantly enhance your trading experience. By keeping everything centralized, you can analyze charts and execute trades swiftly, ensuring you're always on top of the market. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to head over to TradingView. If you've never used it before, TradingView is a popular platform that provides advanced charting tools and a wide array of financial instruments to analyze. It's accessible via your web browser and is incredibly user-friendly, featuring a wide range of customization options that cater to every trader's unique style. Once you're on the TradingView homepage, your next step is to open the trading panel. This is an essential feature for traders who wish to connect their brokerage accounts directly to TradingView. By doing this, you're not just observing the market, but actively participating with the tools at your disposal. The trading panel is generally found at the bottom of your screen and is quite intuitive. Clicking on it will unveil a list of supported brokerages integrated with TradingView. Now take a moment to find Zerodha from the list. TradingView supports a range of brokers, but ours today is Zerodha. This brokerage is renowned for its reliability and excellent execution speed, making it a favored choice among many traders. Scroll through the list or use the search function to pinpoint Zerodha quickly. Once you've found Zerodha, you'll see an option to click Connect. This is where the magic happens. By hitting Connect, you're initiating the integration between TradingView and your Zerodha account. If you're wondering how this benefits you, imagine the convenience of managing your trades directly from your charts, allowing for a seamless and efficient trading experience. If you aren't signed into your brokerage account at this point, TradingView will prompt you to log in. Simply enter your credentials when prompted. This step ensures that your TradingView and Zerodha accounts are securely linked, maintaining the highest level of security and privacy. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected your Zerodha account to TradingView. You're now all set to trade directly from your TradingView charts, combining powerful charting capabilities with quick execution. This integration is a game changer, providing everything you need to make informed trading decisions right at your fingertips. Happy trading!